Well, hello camping family. We took a quick weekend getaway to the KOA Southwest here in Orlando. Just a quick weekend to get away and hang out with our friends. Just wanted to go over a couple quick things here as we got here. We noticed these cute little carts that you can rent. We have some pictures and video, hopefully we'll get to attach, but the big ones, like this one back here, I think was the most expensive, and it only cost, it was like 15 bucks for 4 hours. Super cheap, and the kids had a blast on them. This is it's a smaller campground, but so well manicured and absolutely gorgeous. We are on a grass side in the back, which we'll show you later, but this is just the main entrance. We've enjoyed it. Again, it's quiet. Unfortunately, they are building this apartment complex next door, which they are not happy about here, of course, because I guess this used to be all wooded, but I would still come back. I don't care. The staff here, absolutely friendly, amazing, and just overall, the amenities here is just, it makes for the perfect quiet weekend getaway. So here next to the main check-in, where they also have, like, you know, you can go shopping and buy your little knickknack souvenirs and necessities, is their mini golf, which we haven't played yet, but we have every intention of doing so. Cute little mini golf. And then here attached to the main building, they have the pool area. So you have your main pool, 3 feet, 5 feet across the line, 7 feet, and then little kids pool at 1 feet, 6 inches. So it's awesome because little kids have some place that they can go. Great pool size, great decking, for the amount of sites that are here, super nice. So just show you a little more up here. Again, super clean. We haven't been to too many KOAs, but this one's definitely a top contender as far as what we've noticed so far with the clean areas and the amenities. So you have your premium sites over here, which are like the gravel, and then you have a fire pit and your picnic bench. But overall, just super nice. They have a playground area we'll take you to later. You have these for like 3 rows, and then further back you have the grass sites, which are a little bit cheaper either way. KOA, not expensive. And then all the way back there is going to be their playground with their jump pad, and then up the hill is for the long-term folks. So again, super nice. And family, we are back again at the KOA Southwest campground here in Orlando. Decided to come up on our morning of departure so Aiden could play a little bit, but here just wanted to show you the other amenities. They have this little canine camp right here with all these fun little things for the dogs. Super cute. So they have that. And then of course you have your fun little outdoor games up here, and it's pretty shaded actually this morning. There's some basketball courts. Over here are some more tent sites, and then of course their little cabins, which is right next to the playground, so that's fun for families. Then you have some places to sit, have lunch, huge little playground, and a little jump pad thing, and it's shaded, so the kids love it. And some more fun stuff. It looks like ladder golf over there, maybe some horseshoes, and some more cabins, and then back up over that hill, that's where the long-termers stay. And there's Drew over there.
What's up, family?
There's a fire pit, so that's super cute. So pretty fun for KOA. Super impressed. And then back over there, that's where we are, so we're super close to the playground, which you know Aiden loved. And again, unfortunately, they are doing some construction here, but it's still a campground nonetheless. Place to get away. It's very nice. Kind of a 360 view here, up here at the playground area. All right, camping family. So hopefully this is not too loud. This is the first time recording our see you later, we had a good weekend video in the new camper, which if you follow us, you see we ended up trading into a Class A. New to us, Class A. But this has been fun, great. It's great to have everyone like comfortable and you can cook on the fly and all that cool stuff. But anyways, spent the weekend at KOA Southwest in Orlando. I must say I was pleasantly surprised. Super clean again. I know you already heard me ramble, but yeah, just clean and a lot of little things to be able to do. Luckily for us this weekend, it wasn't crowded, so we really got to take our time and just soak it all in. Of course, we were camping with our bestie camping family, the Kellys, and had a wonderful time, cooked some food together, and of course we forgot to video all the cool stuff we did, along with s'mores, and opened up their camping season, so it's been fun. Don't have any complaints other than the fact that yes, they are building an apartment complex next door, so I'll be curious to see how that impacts the campground there. But I'll still go back because the staff there, top notch, so friendly, didn't have any issues at all. So 10 out of 10, recommend the KOA Southwest in Orlando. We really had a good time. We got Drew driving. Of course, he's focused on the road because it's super windy.
What's up, family? Hope everybody's doing well. Enjoying the weekend.
Or enjoy the weekend, whichever part of the week you're watching the video. And Aiden has found his little home all the way in the back, but he gets to chill and it's way more comfortable for him.
Hi.
There he is. Hi.
Hello.
The scenery is a little bit different.
But it's good. We've enjoyed it. So with that being said, yeah, we hope you all are enjoying your camping adventures. It looks like we've hit that 250 mark. So fingers crossed we can hold on to that.
Awesome.
We will be doing a drawing just for something fun, just to say thank you for following us.
We
As always,
appreciate everybody, all the people that's been following from the start, and people that are just now subscribing. Welcome, thank you, and we hope that you enjoy our content and our videos. We try to make it fun, informative, and enjoyable. So thank you all.
and with that being said, we love watching you all's videos too. So it definitely works both ways. We utilize so many different videos and people out there for whether it's reviews or fixing ideas, all that stuff. So we just hope you're getting the same thing from us, and we hope we're not too terribly boring. Again, as always, any recommendations, any places you want to see, or again, if you want to meet up, all that cool stuff, drop us a note, because we thoroughly enjoy this, and it's the summertime, so we have to take full advantage while the little dude's not in school. So yeah, again, enjoy your summer. We'll see you on the next video. Our next run's going to be, we're going back to Canopy Oaks. We haven't been there in a year and a half-ish. So we're going to go see how things have changed or not changed or all that good stuff, but we've enjoyed it there.
Back to the old stomping grounds, guys. The old stomping grounds.
So it should be fun. we'll definitely do an updated video for that one as well, and just hopefully get more fun stuff recorded this go around. We just get busy with having fun in life and all that stuff that we forget to hit the old record button. We'll do better. Anyways, guys, we love y'all. We'll talk to you soon. We'll see you out there. Again, drop us a line if you want to do a meetup, or if you know someplace fun, someplace we haven't gone, please tell us, because we want to go. We'll see y'all soon. As always, guys, we're making memories one campsite at a time.